Hi guys, welcome to my new video. It is about how to use CapCut offline. Is there any way to use it without internet connection? Is there any user data file available for CapCut? Answer is yes. You can use CapCut offline without any network or internet connection. Watch the full video and you will be able to use CapCut for PC offline. So let's start. First go to local disk C, then just click on users folder. Now click on your admin. So mine is Ahmadzai. Now just double click on it. You have to find here a folder named app data. So in most computers this folder is hidden. Now what you need to do is to go to the view tab at the top of this folder and check mark this option, hidden items. Now you can see the folder is appeared, and now double click on it and then open local. Now just find CapCut here and double click on it, and this is the user data folder where all your downloaded materials and stuffs are here, right in this folder. Now if you want to use CapCut offline and with all downloaded materials, then just open this folder and use WinRAR to archive these files. But wait, keep in mind that you already downloaded CapCut materials. I mean filters, effects, audio, templates, and so on. After that you have to make an archive file just like me. I have downloaded some of the materials, so you can see in A drive I already made an archive file and its size is 2 GB. It means my all downloaded materials are 2 GB in size. Now whenever I install a new Windows, then I will already have downloaded my CapCut materials and I don't need to download it again. Just copy the archive file and paste it in the user data folder of CapCut. One thing else to remember is that whenever you open CapCut you need at least one time internet connection. So when everything loaded, then disconnect your internet connection, and that's it for now guys. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you didn't subscribe, then please subscribe so you never miss a video, my new videos. And for now, goodbye, see you in the next.